Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the Samsung TV 0-1 error code. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're seeing the 0-1 error code on your Samsung TV, there's a few things that you can do to probably solve this issue. So this error happens when your TV can't download the terms and conditions it needs to fully connect to the network. Here's what you can actually do. So first is you want to check your internet connection. So first in this case, you want to make sure that the TV is actually properly connected to the internet. Now, if it's not connected, the TV won't be able to download the necessary information, which is likely the cause of this error. Now, if that doesn't work, you could do a hard restart. So what you need to do here is you want to press the home button on your remote button here, and you want to go to your settings and then select support. Now in the support menu, you want to choose self-diagnosis. Then from then on, click on reset smart hub. Now when prompt, enter the pin code here. So if you haven't set one, you want to enter the default pin, which is 0000. That's 4 zeros. Now after doing this, restart the TV and see if that actually fixes the issue. So in this case, if none of those actually work, it's better to contact Samsung support for more help here, because it might be a more or a deeper issue for your TV. So avoid fixing this yourself or opening your TV. Just contact support for this one. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.